What's going on YouTube? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tool that I found just this year that is going to do wonders for me in my wood chip garden. Last year I struggled with the rake. Now that was good. It helped me get everything that I needed to get into the ground, but it was a lot of hard work. By the end of the day, my body was all sore and I was just wore out because I was pulling all the wood chips back, and I was dreading this year's garden only because of that very reason, pulling the wood chips back. When I made those rows for my strawberry plants, I was just killing myself, going back and forth. Is there a better way? Is there a better way? And I saw a YouTube video, James Prigioni. He used this tool, and I just got it probably about maybe a month ago or 2 months ago actually. And I said, where has this tool been last year? That is what I needed. And that tool is the 4x cultivator. This right here, for food forests or anyone who's doing wood chip garden, you must have this tool. If you have been using the metal rake to pull back the wood chips, and you try this right here, oh man, this is just amazing. And I'm going to show you in a second how I pull back these wood chips. It doesn't take any effort at all. So if I want to plant like 50-60 plants, I can just go ahead and spot pick where I want it to go, instead of raking that whole big area with the what else? I lost my train of thought. I love this thing so much, with the rake, with the metal rake. So let me take you down real quick and watch this tool work. I can get fairly deep. I'm almost there. It's not hard at all. I'm already at the soil. I'm just trying to move it out just a little bit more. And when I plant my strawberries, I got more strawberries coming. That's gonna be so much easier. Now, since I dug the hole, I didn't dig it for just to show you. I'm going to plant one of my blackberry bushes. I took blackberry cuttings. I cut the bushes over there, and then I took them inside probably about maybe a month and a half ago, 2 months, something like that. And I wanted to see if I can get it to propagate, and voila, here it is, free from my plants over there. Let's see if you can see the roots. There you might, oh, there you can see it now. Now, I took cuttings from several different plants. All of them didn't come up. I don't know if that was something I did, or that's just how it's gonna be. I don't know. I'm gonna try it again. This soil is like a brick. Hope my plant will be all right. I'm gonna put some peat moss in here as well. I don't remember the soil being this tough. It may have been. Get that out. up. Alright, I am going to put a little bit of peat moss, like I said, in here. And I'm gonna use a little bit of blood meal for nitrogen. Try to get my plant to get started off with a good start, so that it'll be nice and green. All right. See if I can get these pretty roots out here. Just squeezing the size of the cup. Oh, look at that. All I'm gonna do is scratch it up a little bit so the roots can find their new home with ease. I try to get all the wood chips out as possible. A little bit of my mix back in here. And now put the soil back around it. And all I'm gonna do is go to my barrels of rainwater on the side of my house, and I'll water this in. Put a little bit more blood meal around here. Alright, put the wood chips back around it. There it is. Now, like I said, that tool is a game changer for me, and probably for a lot of other people that are using the wood chip method for their gardening. So just think about, well, I can just think about all the plants that I'm going to plant when it's time for me in another month and a half. Like all my watermelon plants, that was another struggle with the rake, the metal rake. I mean, I was just tired. So if you are thinking about using a wood chip garden, or if you have one, if you did not use this tool, the 4 tines cultivator, make sure you pick that up. I'm telling you, you will fall in love with that tool. It's a game changer. And it didn't cost me that much, $14. $14 purchase. That was the best $14 purchase I ever made, especially when it comes to gardening. All right, just wanted to share that with you. Take care. This is Bear Brown. Talk to you later.